So I'm starting a bit late today. I don't know why it did not show up, but it did not. So I'm starting now. I'm going to be a little late on time. So I have this open and empty for me to start. Self-assessment link. Let's go ahead and get started on it. Function 1. Copy all this. All right. So we want to take in a number, which is a subtotal, and returns the subtotal plus tax. So we'll just return subtotal times 1.0975. And it should work. We will just check real quick. Yep, and it works. I'll check out the second one. Okay. 45 minutes. Wonder if I can at least get all the basic stuff done. All right, count by number. I want to count by fives. So we'll just return. And it only wants us to do an array of 5. So we'll say return array of 5. Say array length dot. We want to fill no, we'll actually map it out. I think it's trying to remember this. I literally just watched a video for this. And we'll just say 5 to 25. I don't think we need to do this. No, I actually don't need to do that. We'll make a little sub function in here. We'll call it I'll say x plus 5. See if this works. Okay, let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Filling it with the function. We don't want to fill it with the function. We want to fill it with the number. So we do have an array of 5. Man. Come on. Let's see if it works. Oh, of course you can't. works. Oh no, that is still not doing it. Oh. Out. Trying to do it fancy. Fancy. I don't want it to return functions. I want it to return, but it'll fill each individual one with functions. Why don't we come up with a little sub function? Fill dot map will say x plus none. See if this works. Ah, of course, it's not a number. X. Let's see. I keep on getting the same thing. All right, well, I'll tell you what we're going to do, because I've wasted about 4 minutes doing this. So we're going to say for, we'll say and gonna get it. That's a lame name for it. We'll just say that. Okay, var x equals 0. Wow, I'm gonna get it eventually. Less than 5, because we only want it to fill up to 5, x plus plus. Okay, and then we're going to say array push say we want to push number. We'll let current equal number, and at the very end we'll say cur plus equals number. Push cur. We'll see if this works, and we will have to return array. Okay, let's try. Oh, varchar. We don't want to change every time. Oh, it's still not going. Hmm. This is no bueno. Okay, why can I not get it? We'll let it equal number to begin with, and then we'll say there it is. That's what we've been waiting for. Here it is. Wow, that only took me almost 8 minutes to solve. Nice, lovely. Moving on. How many do we got? Oh man, we got 10. We could probably finish it in the time frame. All right. So we want to get the first 5. Okay. And this will be commanded out. And these guys out. So we want to write a function, get the first 5, which returns the first 5 elements of the new input array. If the element has less than 5 elements, it returns all the elements of the new array. Okay, so we'll say new of our new array. It's going to be a blank array. And then we'll do for, of course, just easy to do that. For variable x equals 0, while x is less than 5, because we only want to go up to the 5th, x plus plus. And then we'll just new array dot push input or is it just input? Yeah, input r at said x position. And then we will return new array. Okay, I'm getting undefined to begin with. Command. Try this. Beautiful. Okay. I'll say if input, we'll probably want to have that first. If input array at x is undefined, break out of this loop. Break. Beautiful. That's it. That works. We're jumping into exercise 4. Oop, there we are. Oh, wow. This is a lot of stuff. Lots of words. Lots of lines. Okay. So checker. So we're going to write a function. Bank account checker that receives an object which represents someone's entire banking info in the account string. Your function should check the input account of the banking info and return a string with a balance and a amount checked. Okay, so banking info is going to take in one of the accounts. Okay, all right. So all we do is don't really need to mess with the banking info because that is what's going to tell based off of that. But what we do need to say is based off of this, well, actually that is the object. So we'll say banking return banking banking info of set account, which is, oh, actually, we'll just make that a variable. We'll say money equals banking info that account, because this is the name of the object and this is the key, and then this will give us the key value. Banking accounts, and then we'll just say return. I'll tell you what, why don't we console log? Because I wanted to say something. Console log. You have mail. You have the little dollar sign, dollar, plus money, plus you have X amount of money, space, in your space plus account. Beautiful. All right, so let's check this out real quick to see how well this actually works. Commanding it. Syntax error. Huh. Did I write this wrong? Shouldn't have. Oh, I copied it wrong then. Count one, checking. Yeah, that should be correct. Syntax expected. What line? 52? Haha. Oh, space. Wow, it worked. I figured it would, but I knew there was going to be some trouble. All right, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and move to the next problem. Number 5. Okay, write a function. Notification display. Okay, that's going to tell us how many app object. So I'm just going to read this off. Okay. So return. Oh, it wants it to be a string. So we'll say return app obj notification. We'll make that a number. That should actually do it. So we'll do command right here. Check it out. App A. Oh, my bad. Can't find variable app obj. Oh, app object. Wow. Lovely. Can't find variable notifications. Did I spell it wrong? Can't find variable notifications. It's got 4 number app object. And I want to use the key notifications. Okay, let's use dot notation since it's being a pain in the bum bum. Dot notifications. Oh, wow, there it is. Close this guy back up. I'm gonna check this guy. And it works perfectly, and we're going to move on to the next problem. All right, we are starting exercise 6, and we have approximately 25 minutes left. Tripler. Triple all numbers here. I'm pretty sure on this guy we can actually just return numbers.map the value array. So we'll say x times 3. Let's see. I'm not quite sure if this will work. I will figure it out though. Can't. What if we tried? There it is. We have successfully learned the map method. Sweet! Okay, so we're moving on to 7. Robot bar bouncer. So we are starting number 7. We are beginning. I'm currently doing something really important right now, so I cannot help you. All right, so we are beginning this problem. So we're supposed to write a function which takes in a name string and an age, and it should return a greeting for the person if they are over 21, or return a message denying an entry. So we're going to begin by taking in the age. So we'll create an if statement here. So if age is greater than or equal to 21, we will console log name. Sorry, comma name. Period. We can forward slash that. Where is it? It's backslash. Can't serve people. Oh, wait, this is actually the welcome. Dang it. Dang it. So we'll say welcome. Mary? Mary. Welcome, Mary. If it's greater than or equal to. Actually, probably should just return this. Let's just return it. Welcome, Mary. Else, don't really need an else because I will return that if not. And then if else, it will return this. Reach run. Return. Sorry. Space, post name. Period. We can't serve people under 29. All right, we're going to have the period and end this guy here. We're going to run it. Run it. Welcome, Mary. Sorry, Richard. Is it this? Why is it showing a line? Well, now I'm gonna have to go freaking use double quotes now, because I don't know how to make it not show up. Run. We. Why? Why? Just let me have that. All right, fine. I'm done with you. It works. Moving on to number 8. Got 20 minutes left, and we are on 8, and we started 10 minutes late, so we're doing pretty decent today. Okay. So we should take this in, and we are wanting, which takes in no arguments, but returns an object from which you define at least 3 key value pairs of your favorite dessert. Name. Sopa. Yeah. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but we're going to go with it. No, let's say ice cream. Name ice cream. Country of origin. Somewhereville. Because I am not going to waste any time looking it up. Somewhere. Somewhere nice. Somewhere nice. Delicious. Delicioso. True. I wish it would let me do that, but it will not. Amount eaten in my life. I don't know if I want to go lifetime. That's a little obsessive. Not enough. It's pretty accurate. All right. And we'll say, all right, so we'll hide this real quick, man. Let's see. We'll say return obj equaling return this obj for me. And then we'll try it out. Share favorite dessert. Oh my gosh, we're just gonna say forget that. Copy and paste are my best friends and begin. Okay, that works. Comment that all out. Oh, I'm sorry, we will leave this uncommented. We are moving on to the number 9. An inch converter. Whoa, 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 whoa. Write a function inch converter. Which accepts a number in inches and converts it to feet in inches. So, we'll say var feet is equal to inches divided by 12. That's 21. Var inch equal to inches modulus 12. Return. Feet plus feet plus inch plus inches. And we're going to run it. Ooh, let's math.floor this guy. Oh, floor. Mistake, mistake. We'll math.floor this guy too. Oop, keep on wanting to floor it. Beautiful. 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 It's true. Beautiful. She's gonna have to wait because I am working. Got 15 minutes left and I'm on 10. I was actually really worried I wasn't gonna be able to make this work. All right. Run back over here. Pacing this guy out. So we have some work to do on this guy. So we are writing a function. Write a function, displays options, which receives an object called display device and returns an array. The inputs, objects, properties are called video outputs, which will either have true or false. You should return and collect all the ones that have true values. So for keys, for var key in display device, for key in display device, if display, oh, we do need to create an array. Output, let's call it output. Say var output is equal to blank array. Okay, and we're going to go through each individual key if set key. So display device key is true. We want to push output dot push set key string key. Let's try this guy out real quick and see if it works. Oh, I'm not returning anything. Oh my gosh, wow! We solved it! Yeah, did. All right, we are finished with this one here. We're going to move on to those extra practice problems. Surprising, actually came in 10 minutes late. I'm going to keep saying that because I'm actually pretty happy that I came in late and I have still managed to actually get this. It's just, oh, wrong one. Get so far. I'm extremely happy with how much I've actually learned in this program so far. Right. Okay, so converter extended. The output string will no longer say feet, or rather single quote, feet, double quote. For inches, if the input converts to less than 1 foot, okay, it'll just be without feet. Okay. All right, all right, all right. So we'll do the same thing. We'll say feet, sorry, our feet equals, equals, we want to make sure we get a full round number. Math.floor number divided by 12 var inches equals math.floor floor number modulus 12. I should spread this out a little bit. It looks a little ugly. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. If we'll say feet 0, return that plus inches plus, okay, that's if feet equals 0. Else we'll just return. We'll say, what is that? We'll use backticks for this guy. So much easier. That way we can just get it all in there. That plus number plus, can actually just use actually in regular these guys. We'll do. Ooh, there we go. Plus a single one. Plus we also need a space. No, we don't want a space. Oh yeah, actually, we want a space. And then plus inches plus, running a little bit low on time now, plus we'll put these big boys right there, and we'll close it up and we'll see if this is correct. 5 feet 4 inches. Whoa! Whoa! Extended. Oh, so extended. Okay. Come on, come on. Can't find variable number. Oh, it's inches. Beautiful. Ooh, inch. Can't find variable number. Line 193. Oh, why are you returning number, you crazy kid? Foot plus inch. Feet. Jeezel peasel. That's ugly. So it should just be let's try it again. All right, yeah, this is not going to work. We'll see. Backslash, backslash, another one of these guys. Inches, feet. That's how you do it, right? Feet. Space. All right, we are not getting any closer to solving this. I use CPS6 notation, and I do not know it. Whatever. I'm not quite sure why it's not working, but we only got 4 minutes now because we spent so much time on this problem. Okay, exercise. There's only 5, but I got to the second one. Let's see if I can solve it. Just delete it. Okay, given a list of people. Given a list of people, figure out who will I don't have time to finish this guy. I'm going to try to get as far as I can. So now I'm looping inside of that. So now I'll be messing with the objects. And so now we'll say if people at X position dot year is greater than, we need a little integrate. Integrate, okay. Equals that. If their year is greater than, what is 30 turn 18 plus 12 minus that. So by 88, right? 88. 1988. Array dot push people at x dot name. Return array. That should do it. So let's check real quick. Hopefully it's not incorrect. Run. Oh, we're getting an empty array. That is sweet. Not year. So we're tapping in. Oh, birthday. Birthday. That year. Birthday. That year. Come on. Birthday dot. Oh, fuck. Sorry. People that name. Anna. What's center equal to? Oh, and it's now 2 o'clock, so I finished it just on time. Just in time. Okay, commenting that all out. So we are going to make a little private Git real quick. And we'll stop sharing. We're good on that.